grab it in the middle and just walk it back. And then back to the light before anything happens. So I thought I had someone's boat was right there when we came back. A new trip. Have to get there done right.
Oh, for setting up the tarp.
Probably. He's like. Snap it. It's just everything that I've been paddling all free is in short. It's already crooked, huh?
That's not a healthy stick.
I know, I can't find any good sticks. That one there is probably better.
Where's Carter?
What's that?
Where's Boo?
He's over there trying to clear out a campsite over in the dock over there. You can't see it very well, can you?
I see a dock.
Yeah, we're just downstream from the dock. Okay. That big arch, I think. That where the tree goes over like that. I think right in there. Boy, it's tough.
A little higher this year.
There's high ground, but it's mostly the berm here and there, you know. And
We've seen a lot of beaver.
yeah, how many did you see?
I don't know, 6 or 7.
Yeah, I'd say.
We saw 3 on one lodge.
Yeah, you guys didn't get anything set today, did you?
Not yet.
No, pretty sharp corner.
From the bow?
Yeah, from the bow, just tip it. You know, you wedge it right around the corner. You had to make a hard left there. You lean hard to the right, see, and it wedges. You know, just like a racing boat. Wedge it right around the corner.
So if you lean to the right, it turns to the left.
Yeah. You leave the motor. That motor never moved left or right, you know, on its own. It would just stay there. You just get that right straight, and as soon as you get it straight, open her up and run up to the front. You're standing up front there with the paddle going by people, and it's funny. More specific, it's dry something. So it's that bottom or something like that. Well, it hurts like this when you do it, but you know, 2 weeks later, you know, the back doesn't hurt anymore. What's that?
That sauce.
Wicked hot.
That's the key.
How many dollops did you do there?
Oh my god. Is that the same bottle?
Oh yeah, it expired a few years ago probably.
I think that was the one. I tried it in your office and I
That was wicked hot. I don't think, you know who gave that? Slapshot gave that to me.
Really?
Yeah. But I don't think you can cover up a lot of mistakes with hot sauce.
Can't taste anything.
No, you'll be able to taste it. One of those eggs looks good and the other one looks too yellow. These are free range chickens that bought them at the dump. They eat a lot of bugs and worms and stuff, and get a nice orange yolk out of them. All right, a little more milk, I guess. So you got to measure this stuff carefully, eh? Oh yeah, I think that's perfect. All right, Yeah, we got the fires perfect. Oh yeah, that's hot.
How old are those camper kitchens?
Oh man. Jesus, I think I probably bought them about 40 years ago. Early 80s. Probably 81 or 82. I lost my best one on the bottom of the river. Boy, I had that one just cured just so well. It was just a honey color, all both top and bottom. Never got too hot. It's just perfect. These ones here got too hot, that bottom one especially. But it's all right. All right, this here is, I think I'll cook that on top. Get that all in the corners a little bit. Be careful not to get it too hot, but what you're gonna should have, is this almost filled to the top, not quite. Cornbread doesn't really fill up quite as bad. Doesn't rise as much. Almost sometimes I think heavier the better, cornbread. I always tell people if you're baking in a Dutch oven type style like this, you want to start with cornbread. You can't frig it up. It's very forgiving. Okay. If I had paying clients here, I'd do that barehanded, so just for entertainment, you know. There we go, that's plenty. You better not splash. He may be blowing bubbles. But if he starts splashing around, we'll have to go over there and tunk him. Okay, what's the time? 14. So at 7:24, we're going to take the lid off and we're going to eat. Right?
Yeah.
Last year we only got he says we got 9.
Was it 9 or like 11?
That's terrible.
Terrible?
We should have done better than that. We got 2 rats, didn't we? That's the way to do it.
I could eat for 3, so.
Oh yeah, I know. Actual flame is hotter than coal. If you just have coals and no flame, because you're on top, so that flame there is not keeping it. Take 400 feet of cable to catch 100 bears, and that's the plan.
Yeah. That's what you figure, 400 feet?
Yeah, 4 feet per loop. You know, it's 4 6-inch loops. So you're going to have some 10 left that don't have a bear. Yeah. You would be surprised. I would say well over 50%, probably 80% of my clients are afraid of the dark. Doesn't matter if they're bear hunters or canoers, they're all afraid of the dark, all of them.
Yeah. I mean,
it's weird.
I definitely am like, especially if I'm alone.
That's the big difference. I mean, you could just have a frog in your pocket and you would be a lot happier.
I'm not alone.
It's really weird because you could have a little kid that's totally defenseless with you at night, and
you feel better.
You feel better.
Yeah.
You feel like.
I think that's got to be instinctual.
Yeah, it is. It's got to be. Don't be alone. It's dangerous. You know, you get somebody else with you. Yeah, that is an interesting thing. And I think having a dog with you is just like having a little kid.
Yeah. I think you're even
100%.
more like confident with a dog
like you
because
got
they
your
can
dog.
see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they can let you.
Bye.